Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel and I am Atanu Betal, and in this video lecture we want to discuss about the molarity. Molarity is defined by the symbol M, capital M. So today's discussion is about molarity of solution. You know, molarity is a concentration term which is used in volumetric analysis. In volumetric analysis, the molarity is a very common term and require calculation based on molarity. So in this video we discuss more details and each and every point about the molarity. Okay, so we start our discussion right now. Molarity is defined as number of moles of solute present per liter of the solutions. Molarity means number of moles of solute present per liter of the solution, means number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution is called molarity. So in mathematically, if we express this form as number of moles of solute, number of moles of solute dissolved by volume of solution in liter. Okay, so this is the definition of molarity. Molarity means number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of solutions, or in liter of solutions, or volume of solution, or you can write 1 liter of solutions. So it is normal molarity means number of moles of solute present per liter of the solutions, per 1 liter of the solution. Okay, so its unit is mole per liter. Mole per liter is the unit of molarity. Molarity always expressed in mole per liter unit, because it is it has the unit of mole, and denominator it is liter. So mole per liter is the unit of molarity. So if we take number of moles of solute as Nb and volume of solution V in liter, then our equation is looking like Nb by V in liter. Okay, and after splitting formula Nb, Nb become, after splitting Nb term, we can write Wb by Mb in divided by V in liter. This is another equation. By splitting Nb into Wb by Mb, we are writing this equation. Here Wb is the weight of solute, and Mb is the molecular weight of solute, and V is the volume of solution in liter. So our formula is number of moles of solute per liter of solution, 1 liter of solutions, and our formula is written in this form: Nb divided by volume of solution in liter, and we are splitting Nb as Wb by Mb and expressing the equation. We can write another form of this equation. So we can write this formula of molarity like this equation: Wb divided by Mb and V in liter and V in ml into 1000. This is another formula of molarity. A molarity can be calculated of any solution from this formula: Wb weight of solute, Mb molecular weight of solute into 1000 by V in ml. Okay, so this is the formula for calculation of molarity of any solution. Molarity generally expressed in the form 1 molar solution, 2 molar solution, 3 molar solution, 0.2 molar solution. In this form we express the molarity of any solution. Okay, now we see what is the relation or what are the relations between molarity and normality. Molarity and normality are related as molarity equal to normality into equivalent weight by molecular weight. This is the relation between molarity and normality, equivalent weight by molecular weight. So this is relation between molarity and normality. In order to change molarity into normality, we use this equation. Suppose we 2 molar H2SO4 equal to dash normal H2SO4. In this time, what you have to do here, 2 molar H2SO4 equal to dash normal of H2SO4. Here from this equation we can solve this problem. Here divided by valency means if we express molecular weight as equivalent weight by acid, it is an acid, so basicity, so it is becoming this is not for molecular weight, this is molecular weight by basicity divided by molecular weight. So molecular weight cancel. Now the formula is becoming 1 by basicity. So basicity for sulfuric acid is 2. So 2 molar means 1 by 2 normal. Okay, because basicity of sulfuric acid is 2, therefore the 1 by 2 molar sulfuric acid equal to 1 by 2 normal of sulfuric acid. From this formula you can change molarity into normality and normality into molarity. So okay, right now we discuss the topic that what is defined by 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution means 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. If 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution, we define this factor as 1 molar solution. 1 molar solution means 1 mole of solute dissolved in 1 liter of solution. For example 1 molar of oxalic acid solution. 1 molar of oxalic acid solution means molecular weight of oxalic acid molecular weight. Oxalic acid, the formula of COOH dot 2H2 and molecular formula is 126 gram. So 1 molar of oxalic acid solution means 126 gram oxalic acid is present in 1 liter of the oxalic acid solution. So 1 molar of oxalic acid solution means 126 gram of oxalic acid, because molecular mass of oxalic acid is 126 gram of oxalic acid in 1 liter solution means 1 molar solution. So when 126 gram of oxalic acid is dissolved in 1 liter solution, we term the solution strength as 1 molar, and 63 gram of oxalic acid, or you can, or 12.6, at first we are doing 12.6, it is 0.01 molar of oxalic acid, and 6 point for 6.2 for 6.2 gram, if 6.2 gram is dissolved in 1 liter solution, we term the strength of solution is 0.05 molar of oxalic acid solution. So this is the strength of oxalic acid in molarity unit. When 126 gram of oxalic acid dissolved in 1 liter solution, the strength is 1 mole, 1 molar, and 12.6 gram of oxalic acid dissolved in 1 liter solution, its strength is 0.1 molar, and 6.2 gram oxalic acid dissolved in 1 liter solution, its strength is 0.05 molar. Now our discussion is about molarity equation. Molarity equation are the equations that relate the molarity and volume of solution. Suppose V1 ml of a solution where the strength is M1 is diluted to V2 ml. Okay, so V1 ml is the strength of solution, volume of solution, and M1 is the strength of solution, molarity of the solution, M1. So in this solution, if we try to dilute this solution to V2 ml, and by changing the volume of solution to V2 ml, molarity is changed to M2 ml. Molarity is changed to M2, not ml. I am mistaking it. So this equation is called molarity equation. This equation is used in titration or in volumetric analysis. V1, M1, volume and molarity of solution 1, which diluted to solution 2, where the volume is becoming V2 and molarity is becoming M2. An equation is called a molarity equation. Okay, another molarity equation, suppose in a acid base titration or any titration, A mole of A, B mole of B is changing to C mole of C and D mole of D. In this case, the molarity of A solution is M1 and volume of A solution is V1, and volume of the B solution is V2 and volume molarity of B solution is M2. Then the equation is by A and by B. This is the molarity of number of moles of A and B. This equation is another equation for molarity equation. So you understand the molarity equation. Molarity equations are very important for laboratory practicals. When we calculate the result of titration, this time molarity equation is very important. Okay. Next we have to calculate, suppose 6 gram of acetic acid, 6 gram of acetic acid is forming 200 ml of solution. What is its molarity? We have to calculate the molarity of a solution, 200 ml solution, where 6 gram acetic acid is present. Okay, so our calculation should be like molarity calculation. Formula is Wb by Mb, then V in ml into 1000. So our calculation is Wb means weight of solute taken, that is 6 gram into 1000, and Mb molecular weight of solute. For acetic acid, we know acetic acid has molecular weight carbon 2 means 24, oxygen 2 means 32, and hydrogen 4. So hydrogen 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 9 10, carry 1, 3 4, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 60. So 60 into volume in ml, 200 ml. So after cutting 3 0 and 6, we get 1 2 3 200 ml and 1000. So we are cutting 12 3 0, and now we have 1 by 2 and 0.5 molar. We have 1 by 2 and it is 0.5 molar strength of strength, molarity of 6 gram acetic acid in 200 ml of solutions. So this is the calculation for 6 gram of acetic acid. If make 200 ml of solution, molarity of the solution is 0.05 molar. %, 68% nitric acid by mass and 1.504 gram per ml. Now we have to calculate another one example of molarity. And suppose you are given 68% by mass, 68% by mass nitric acid solution, HNO3 solution, 68% by mass, and the density of the nitric acid solution is 1.504 gram per ml. It is the density of 68% by mass nitric acid solution. Now we have to calculate what is the molarity of the solution. Molarity of the solution where 68% by mass nitric acid is present and density is this. Okay, so in this case what you have to do, first of all you have to calculate the molecular weight of HNO3. Molecular weight of HNO3, hydrogen, nitrogen 14 into 48. So it is 15 plus sorry, it's not multiply, it is plus 15 plus 48 means 9 10 11 12 13, carry 1 5 16 48 ঠিক আছে, carry ঠিকই আছে. Okay, this 15 plus 48 So it is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, carry 1, 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 63 gram. This one is molecular weight of nitric acid is 63 gram. We have to calculate the volume of solution equal to mass of solution by density of solution. Here you are seeing that 68% by mass means 68 gram nitric acid. 68 gram nitric acid is present in the volume by mass, means 68 minus total weight, total mass of the solution. Volume of the solution means total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution is 100 gram. 68% means 68 gram nitric acid. Total volume of solution means mass, that is 100 gram, and the density 1.504. So this is becoming the volume of solution. Now what we have to do for calculation of molarity of these solutions, you need to know this is volume of solution in ml, okay, because mass is in gram and it is gram per ml. So overall unit is ml. Now molarity equation is molarity equation is Wb by Mb into volume in ml into 1000. So our Wb is 68 gram. 68 gram of nitric acid is present in a 100 gram of nitric acid solution into 1000 divided by molecular weight of nitric acid, that is 63 gram, and volume of nitric acid solution in ml is this one. Volume is this one. Volume of solution is this one, 100 by 1.504. So if you calculate this problem, we can calculate the full factor, okay, and after calculating the result of this equation will be the molarity of the solution, okay. So now calculate this part, and the answer will be the molarity of the 68% by mass nitric acid solution molarity. To 16.23 molar and 16.23 molar. After calculating this equation, we are getting 16.23 molar is the molarity of this solution. The answer is 16.23 molar. And this is the discussions for molarity. I think you understand this topic. You have a clear picture about molarity. Molarity, I am recapping this full discussions once more time. Molarity is number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of the solution, and it has the unit of mole per liter. And the most important factor is the temperature. It is dependent on temperature. On increasing or decreasing temperature means in changing temperature, molarity changes, because the volume is one most important factor. Molarity dependent on the volume of solutions. you are seeing that molarity is dependent on the volume of solutions, V in ml. So therefore molarity is dependent on temperature. Okay, so this is our discussions. I think you understand this topic, and if you have any problem you can or any question you can write in the comment sections. And thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe this channel to get more this type of videos, educational videos.